If you've lost your data and need to restore, please follow these steps for the CrashPlan client. First, load up the client window by clicking the tray icon at the bottom right for Windows users, or at the icon at the top right of the main Mac menu for Mac OS X users, and click the cog button where you can open the application. From the home screen, click Get Files for the device that backs up the data you need. You can now navigate through your backup archive on the cloud and select the data you need to recover. You can also click the folders themselves to select specific files inside them and navigate back by clicking the file path here at the top. Once you have selected all the files you need, click Get Files again at the bottom right. You will now be asked where you want the restored files to be saved to, and what to do to already existing files if you are restoring to the file's original location. When you're ready, click Go to begin the restore. You will be able to check the restore's progress from the download list, and once it's finished, you can click here to access the folder containing your restored files. With the client, there is no limit to what you can restore, and you can restore as many times as you like. However, if you cannot access the client, you can perform a limited restore on the web console remotely. Because of browser constraints, restores here are limited to 250 megabytes. To do this, first sign in to the web console, then click your active devices on the left menu dashboard. Now, choose the device you want to restore from, and once the device profile loads, click the circular arrow button here to begin a restore. The next window that pops up will show you your backed up data from the cloud. You can select the specific files you need as well as any previous versions of these files. There are also options here to display hidden and deleted files if required. Once you've selected what you need, click Restore to begin, and your browser should start downloading the files. If you need to do a remote restore more than the browser limit allows, you can also install CrashPlan on another device and sign in order to restore from your original device, as the CrashPlan client allows restores between all devices you have on your account. On the web console, you'll see a list of the installers you need when you click App Downloads on the left. If you ever get stuck, you can visit help.ceejay.com, where you can search for answers to frequently asked questions or contact us directly by placing a ticket with us or giving us a call. Thanks for watching.